Living life in color. Everything around me looks so beautiful and sweet.
Hey guys, I am in Saratoga Springs, New York. I am in one of the most charming cities in America. If you've been waiting to get in on the action of an amazing, incredible property in the heart of Saratoga, you can walk to downtown. I have a 4-bedroom, 4-bath that's going to be perfect for you. Come on and check it out.
Vibrant, gamer's paradise, and the world keeps going right. I feel good, and there's a million stars in the sky. I feel good, when the sun is shining so bright. I feel good, and the world keeps going round, going round. I feel good. Life is clearer than I've ever seen. Feels like I've got magic inside me.